Hi everyone, this is Nestle once again, and today I'm going to show you another bag that I absolutely adore. However, this one is pretty underrated, but I still love it. And a little bit of history. Well, this one's from Hermes. A little bit of background. This one was made to resemble a craftsman's box. Some of you already know what this is. And this was first unveiled in 2010. And then they stopped making it part of their regular production in 2016, if I am not mistaken. They did not totally discontinue the production, and you can still have it as part of their special order with Hermes. Otherwise, you can still get it from the secondary market. And I got my hands on it. And this is mine, and I absolutely love it. Now, here she comes. This is the Hermes Toolbox in Evercolor leather and in ruby color. It comes in palladium hardware. How beautiful that is. I don't understand why this is underrated. She comes with her lock, keys and clochette, right there. Look how soft and supple the leather is, and it smells so good. I'm so obsessed. It has the Kelly lock with it, right there. The sound of the hardware. And it comes with the strap. There is the strap. Still has a plastic because I don't really use straps for my bag. I like it to carry with my hand. So there she is. Look how beautiful that is. And this is how spacious this bag is. Look at that. There's the name. There's the bag with 3 pockets. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. The interior is all leather, and it smells so good. They have the D-ring on both sides, right there for the strap. Look how soft that is. Oh, I put some protective